Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be working on our September Build a Journal challenge, and it's the 11th video where we're adding trim, so this will be a quick one, you guys. And then the next video, we're going to be adding all of our items to the journal. It's the fun part where we start adding everything in and the journal comes together and it's amazing, and you'll have it for when you're ready. So if you don't know what the September Build a Journal challenge is, it is where I spend September walking you through how to build a journal. This year it's a binder journal or a ring journal if you didn't want to buy a binder, because I don't blame you. Times are tough and stuff can be expensive. If you didn't want to do that, I did walk you through making a chipboard album with rings. Okay, so let's get started. I've been filming a lot down here and my dog's practically having a heart attack, so I would like to finish up and be done so I don't have to hear him bark anymore. Because honestly, I'm going to scream. I have purple, black pom-pom, and some orange pom-pom. And that's what we're doing today. Like I said, it's going to be a quick and easy one. You can do as many trims as you want. All right, you guys? You really can. Or should I do this black? No, we're just going to do that. You can do as many trims as you want in your journal. This is about you. This is not about me. It is about what you want. I suggest at least 3. Okay, that's all. I suggest 3. I think I'm going to put right here, and I think I'm going to do the black. Now I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac. So let me turn my Fabri-Tac upside down. Let's turn my Fabri-Tac upside down so I don't have to shake it like it's a Polaroid picture. All right, and I'm just going to cut this to size. Okay. I'm going to cut it a little bit bigger than I need. I'm also going to cut the other ones while I'm at it. No, I might not, because I might have smaller pages that I put them on. I don't know yet. I might put them on the top and the bottom of the cover. I don't know. You can put them wherever you want. You can use whatever trim you want. As I've said in every video, this is your journal. I'm just walking you through what to make to put in your journal, and the items that you should have that go in a journal on a normal journal. Like a normal journal, you would use trims, you would use tags and pockets and all that stuff. So that's what I'm walking you through to do. If you want to make a pocket for every page, I've done that before. It was a great journal. I remember that. It was an awesome journal. I had a pocket and a tag in every page, and it was a great journal for that month. It was quite enjoyable. So if you want to do that, you do that. It's up to you. This is literally going to be my last video for the day, though, because if I have to hear this dog for another second, I'm going to scream. Alright, I think I'm going to do maybe purple on this one. And I tell you, I don't like this binder. I don't like this binder. Alright. I've never used this purple one. Weird, because purple's my favorite color, and I've never used the purple. I'm shocked by this. I'm shooketh. Shooketh. Alright. So I'm just going to run some glue. If you want to sew them on, this is why a ring or a binder journal is great. You could take your pages out and you could sew the trims on. This is why a binder journal, to me, or a ring journal, is one of my favorite journals to use, because you can add, remove easily when you're making a binder or a ring journal. It's great. I mean, like I said, it's one of my favorites. You will find me using a binder journal or a ring journal multiple times a year because I just love them that much. And I don't think they get enough love. Alright, now I have black. And I think I'm going to do the black on this one here, right? Is that what I have? Did I lose my black? Did I already do black? I already did black. Fun times. I already did black. Thank you for reminding me I already did black. I appreciate it. So now we're going to do orange. You know what? I think I'm going to do orange on this guy, but on the front. We're going to do it small this time. This is literally like the easiest day besides picking your paper. Like, picking your paper was super easy too. And yes, I could add some of these days together, but I don't want to overwhelm you. I don't even want to be overwhelmed. I don't make true journals like this very often because it is overwhelming, and I make a lot of journals. It's very overwhelming. Uh-oh, the dog stopped barking. Somebody harmed the dog. Just joking. Nobody harmed the dog. He just took a breath instead of barking continuously. All right, and that is it. I think I need a new scissor. Okay, that's it. So now we have our pom-pom. Look how cute our pom-poms look. They're friggin' adorable. Look at that. Now, by the end of the year, by the end of the month, I won't be able to snap that closed anymore. And I love it. Love it, you guys. Love it. Uh-oh. My cap for my Fabri-Tac wouldn't go on. Okay, so that's it. Just got to put all the trims in that you want to put in, and that's it. Easy peasy day. In the next video, which will be Saturday, this is Thursday. I wrote the dates down so I would know what dates I'm looking at. These will be posted. So on Saturday, we're going to add all of these items, except for this. This is when I made my shaker earlier. Put that away. We're going to add all of these items, the pockets, the tags, the ephemera, the tabs. Our journal charm will go back on, and our altered paper clips will go into our journal, and then our journals will be done. Are you guys excited? I am. I can't wait for it to be done. But, yep, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next crafting video. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and share if you have friends who like to craft and don't know who I am. I would appreciate it greatly. Have a great rest of your day.